decisive catch. Yes, it is.
I could. Oh, he's hit it straight back to him. That's a soft dismissal.
Ones and twos against the spinners. Appeal, there was a noise, and up goes the finger. And Rohit Sharma picks up a wicket.
Sent straight down his throat. Michael Clark's holed out in the deep.
Usually Sparky King's mid-pitch looked more like a dull, lifeless Indian wicket.
He's gone over the top. Will it be taken? It's a brilliant catch. Superbly taken by Gautam Gambhir, bringing Chris Gale's innings to an end.
Yep, he was moving. He was travelling. Gambhir, he was at full pelt. That's just not an easy catch because he had to dive and wrap his arms around it. Robin Singh, their fielding coach, will be very pleased with that effort.
Rohit Sharma to continue. Oh, that's the end of Sawan. Walk straight past it. Good piece of bowling from Sharma. Bowled it quicker through the air. He's not a big turner of the ball. Sarwan was looking for the turn. An easy stumping in the end for Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Wicket number 2 for Rohit Sharma. He's having a good time with the ball. Moving a little bit too early from the crease.
This could be dropped. We'll have a look in the replay.
Well, a bottom edge. I think he just hit it into the ground. We'll just take another look. Oh no, you're right.
That's a big shot. Has he got enough? Oh!
10 boundaries have come through. Ball might have been going down the leg side. He's bowled from wide of the crease. He's had a bit of turn. There's no turn. I think he's quite right, the umpire. Doing a bit too much. Don't ask, you don't get, but even as it looks fairly adjacent there, the angle of the delivery seemed to be taking it down the leg side.